Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the stock of Camber Energy Inc. Now, there has been a sharp rise that we have seen in this particular stock. More specifically, in the last trading session, the stock went up by 21.5%. Then we have a further increase of 3% in the after hours. And if you are looking at the price chart of the past couple of days, as you can see, the stock hits the high of 4.42 and then falls at 1.68. But now there are some recovery which has been started again. Now, one thing you need to understand here is the oil and gas or energy stock are moving and they are in a secular trend. So when a big trend is on, then there will be some short-term corrections or consolidation, but the stock picks up momentum very quickly and very well on the upside. Now we don't have any further information as far as the earnings or anything else, so let's see how it's going to move going forward and whether we can find anything out of it. So let's see what's going on in this particular stock. So the stock is rocketing higher on above average volume Tuesday following bullish commentary on Twitter. Also, Camber Energy's average session volume is about 178 million over a 100-day period. Tuesday's trading volume was already approaching 125 million at publication time, which means when this press release has been out, in between, somewhere in between the trading zone. At that time there was 125 million share that has already been traded on that. And apart from that, you can check out the tweet. Okay, this is about different stock, but anyhow, so Camber Energy seems to spike higher following comments from one of the most popular members on FinTwitty community. So I mean, if this is the only reason, I don't know how to explain about it. But there are groups whom people follows, and it's genuine. And if you're looking at the price chart based on this, so I don't want to go into that part where follow somebody. I don't think that following somebody uh, or following certain groups for trading stocks or investing in stocks is a good idea. But the way I understand chart is simply how it's going to move and what are the indications that I'm getting out of it. Now, the point or the levels from which the stock has moved is very much significant. Why I am saying this is because, let me show it to you. If I highlighted the section, here we are, this section, as you can see. So what you can see here, the stock has taken support above all its important moving averages, which means when the stock is started trading above moving averages, just be sure that don't try and go short this stock. Okay, if you do this in such a certain position, next time when it started moving, it's going to move very fast and very quick on the upside. So don't try and go and short the stock. Now, because it is holding, so the levels you should look at here are 1.22 and 0.90, where 1.922 will be your immediate support and 90 cents will be the stop loss that you're gonna look at. Now, talking about the target here, you will have your first target of $2.7, followed by two subsequent targets on the upside. So what we have here are these two levels, which will start with 4.15 and can go up to 4.8, or the recent high that it has made. I think the recent high was just 4.85. So 4 point near to 4.85 was the level that you're gonna look at as your as your big resistance. But once it get crossed, and I'm telling it again, if the stock continues to move over moving averages, sustain our moving averages, you will see the stock soon going higher with sharp momentum. But talking about the levels, once the stock cross and sustain above $4.9 or after the breakout, you will have two specific targets starting with $10 and can go up to a high of 13.9 or $14 for the time being as a big target. But it will only get activated once the stock started trading above 4.9 or $5 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.